Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Cult Beauty and Glow Recipe edit box. Just to be aware, I am not feeling the best right now. I have been very unwell for the last week, as you could tell by my voice. So bear with me on this, and hopefully this will be a short video to save you the pain of hearing me, and for me the pain of actually talking. But today we will be unboxing the Glow Recipe edit with Cult Beauty. I believe this box is now sold out, unfortunately. It sold out very, very quickly, but I can understand why, because it was a really, really good deal. I believe this was worth £90, but I paid £35 for it on the Cult Beauty website. It's smaller than I expected it to be, but most of the products are mini-sized. When the box arrives, it was quite well packaged. I did open this originally to make sure I had everything in here. I always do that with every edit box. But it did arrive pretty much like this, all stacked up quite neatly. But as you can see, it's mostly minis. I'm selecting these products randomly, and I'm going to start with the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. This is a full size, which is 40ml. This is, I believe it's like a highlighter. I've never used this product before. It says Ultimate Glow and Brightening, but it does seem like a illuminator kind of product. It does come in a pump, but I did take off the actual like nozzle. As you can see, it's quite like illuminating. It's kind of messy to put back on. I'm not going to try everything right now, just I don't want to make a mess whilst I am sick. But I can't wait to try this. Staying with the watermelon theme, we have a mini of the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, which is a mini size. I have just finished a full size of this, which you will see in my May empties. So it's not my favourite toner, I will tell you that right now. I think it's a little bit too expensive for what it is, but I will look forward to using another one. Though I wouldn't go out and be like, oh my god, I have to have this in my collection, if you understand what I mean by that. But that is a mini size in 40ml. Another Watermelon Glow Dew Balm product. Everything seems to be very watermelon theme here. Is SPF 30 with niacinamide. I believe I had one of these in a different edit box, so this could be a backup that I now have. This is 16.5 grams, which is a full size stick. I'm not really sure how this works. Oh, it is literally a balm. You have a little cap, and then you literally just rub it on your face, kind of like a foundation stick. I assume you just blend it in. The last watermelon product we have is a serum, Niacinamide Dewy Flush Serum Tint. I get the feeling this could come off as a blush. I'm not really sure what this is. So I just checked on the website. This is in fact a blush, which I didn't know they did blushes before. This is a mini. I can't wait to use this. I thought this was a skincare product, but it actually is a blush with skincare in it. So keep an eye out on my Instagram for that. I'll probably wear this very soon. And hopefully it'll be in an empties this year so I can review it properly. Next we have a plum product, which is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream by Glow Recipe. This is a mini. It doesn't say a lot on this tub, honestly, but it's clearly a mini size. Just doesn't look like a lot of product in there, to be honest. I can't smell anything, and my smell seems fine, so I don't think this has much of a scent to it. So there is a mini of the Plum Plump in here, but I have heard a lot of people raving about this, and I wanted to try it. So at least I have a mini to go on with. Another moisturiser is the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier. Oh, this is a cleanser. I thought this was a moisturiser. It's not, it's a cleanser. This is also a mini. I think it might be sealed. Yes, this comes with a seal. But this is an Avocado Ceramide Cleanser, which I didn't know was in here. I thought this was a moisturiser. So I will be using this soon, because I'm about to run out of my current makeup cleanser. So I would love to try this, hopefully this month, next month otherwise. And it should be an empty for you, and I can give you a review. And that is everything for this mini unboxing, a very quick video for you all. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more and you're new here, consider subscribing. I would love to see you in the family that I'm building. I'm noticing that my numbers are aligning now with me. I'm having some people unsubscribe, but I'm also getting a lot of beauty lovers coming in, and I'm loving to see it. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.